Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Choo Choo Charles. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Let's start off by zooming in on the face here. Okay, let's first start off in the middle and draw the nose. Let's start with a U-shaped curve. Then on top, let's add a straight line. And then curves on the sides. Next, let's add the eyes. Let's move over and draw a circle on the left. And the same thing on the right. Next, around each eye, let's add a few curved lines like this. And now above each eye, let's draw a pointed V-shaped curve for the eyebrows. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start underneath the nose and let's draw a curve down to the left, under the eye, and back up. And now let's do the same thing on the right. Now from the ends, let's curve it down and in. Now let's curve it down towards the center on both sides. Next, let's move inside and draw a curve at the top. And then follow that same curve underneath. Now let's add the teeth at the top with pointed V shapes. And the same thing underneath. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's move up and draw the shape of the face. Let's start above the eyebrows and let's draw another curved point. And then from both ends, let's continue it down, forming a circular curve. Then at the top, let's draw another curve in between the points. Next, around the whole head, let's draw another circle. Next, let's move up, and in the center, let's draw two lines up. Then from the top, let's angle it up and out, and then close it off with a line across. Now from the sides at the bottom, let's curve it down and out on both sides. And then let's angle it back in to the head. Next, let's draw the top part of the train. On the sides of the face near the bottom, let's draw two small lines out. Then let's bring it up on both sides. And then lines in towards the center. Next, inside this box, on the top, let's draw 2 lines down. Now at the top, let's add the roof. From the top on the sides, let's draw 2 lines out. Then small lines up. And then lines back in the center to form a rectangle shape. Now across the top, let's draw a curved line to form a dome shape. And lastly, for the top section, let's add the pipes coming out from the top of the sides. Let's start with 2 angles up and out on both sides. Then from the ends, let's draw 2 lines up. And then a triangle shape on top. And that's it for the top part of the train. Let's move down and draw the bottom section next. From the bottom corners of the square, let's draw angled lines down and out on both sides. And then a line across to connect them. Now inside this section, let's draw diagonal lines down from the face on both sides. And then an angled line inside on the left and right. Now let's hop out to the outside corners and let's draw lines down. And then a line across the bottom, forming a rectangle shape. Now let's add the details inside here. Let's start with the front light. Let's start with a circle on the top in the center. And then one more inside. Now from the sides, let's draw lines out. Then bring it down on both sides. And then a line across the bottom to form another rectangle. Now inside, let's draw a circle on the left. And then another one on the right. And lastly, let's add some horizontal lines inside for some details. Next, let's move underneath and draw the wheels. Underneath on the left, let's draw a curved rectangle shape, and the same on the right. Now next to it, let's draw a curve up on the inside here. And that's it for the train. Next, let's add the legs. Let's draw the first set of legs coming out from the sides of the face. Let's start near the mouth level and draw a curve up and out. And then another one underneath. Now let's do the same thing on the left side. Now at the end, let's connect them with a curved line. Now from the top, let's curve it down dipping it down and back up. And then a curve going down and out underneath. And again, the same thing on the left. And now a curve to connect them at the ends. Now from the top, let's draw a long curve down. And then an S-shaped curve underneath to close it off. And the same thing on the left. And that's it for the first set of legs. Now let's draw another set behind this one. Start next to the face underneath this first leg and let's draw another curve up. And the same thing on the left. Now let's hop up above the first leg, let's draw a small curve and then angle it down. And the same on the left. And then an S-shaped curve on top like this. Then curve it down to the first leg. A curve out. Then a curve down and bring it up at the end. And that's it for the second set of legs. Let's draw a third set behind this one. Let's start next to the face on top of these legs and let's draw another curve up and back down. And then underneath, a line down. Now let's do the same on the left. Next, let's hop underneath those first two legs and let's draw a curve down and out. And the same thing underneath. And then close it off at the end. Now the same thing on the left side. Now from the top, let's curve it down on both sides. And that same S-shaped curve to close it off. And now let's draw the last set of legs underneath this one. Underneath, let's draw two curves down and close off the end. And the same thing on the other side. And since this leg is in the background, let's make everything a bit smaller. And again, a curve down from the top. And then close it off with an S shape. And lastly for this drawing, let's erase those overlapping train lines inside the legs here. And that's it for Choo Choo Charles. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!